Is your HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless mic not working? First, understand the basics. This headset uses a USB-C dongle for wireless connection, and your computer recognizes the mic as a separate input device. Start with these quick checks. Is the mic muted on the headset itself? Is the USB-C dongle properly connected? Is the headset charged? Next, ensure your computer recognizes the headset. Go to your sound settings, Windows or Mac OS, and verify that the HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless mic is selected as the default input device. Conflicts can arise if other mics, like webcam mics, are active. Also, test the wired connection. If the mic works when plugged in directly, the issue likely lies with the wireless connection or drivers. Finally, a simple reboot often resolves temporary glitches. If basic checks don't resolve the mic issue, focus on software and drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common culprit for HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless mic problems. Download and install the latest HyperX NGENUITY software from the official HyperX website. This app manages your headset's drivers and firmware. Once installed, open NGENUITY and check for available updates. Install firmware updates as they address mic compatibility issues and improve Bluetooth stability. In Windows, open Device Manager and check for any driver errors related to the headset. If errors exist, try updating or reinstalling the drivers. Some programs can interfere with mic access. Antivirus software or overlays like NVIDIA GeForce Experience might be blocking the mic. Check their settings and grant necessary permissions to NGENUITY and the HyperX mic. As a last resort, try disabling and re-enabling the mic in your sound settings, or uninstalling and reinstalling the NGENUITY software.